Happy Friday, everyone. Hope everybody's having a great week and you had a great 4th of July. Many of you are just have the whole week off. I know there's a lot of people on vacations and stuff right now. So we are going to do a couple things today. We're going to do a big sign carvers of the day, which there's some really cool ones in here. And I hope you guys use these as just idea generating, and because they definitely do that for me. I love to see some of this stuff. So anyway, I hope that is helpful for you. And then at the end, Miss Vicki is actually going to come on and make an announcement for something that's coming up that we've never done before. So anyway, here we go. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Okay. Ken Bryan. You got to help me with some of these names in case I can't read them upside down. So this is his version of the Live to Ride. I'm bouncing all over already. Born to Ride.
It's third sign.
Yeah. That's really ambitious for a third sign. Mike Crow. This one's really cool. This is made for his local coffee shop. Very nice. One of his first signs. What does it say?
Salgado in Delano.
He's in Delano, California. Really cool. Mark Galler. This one's really neat on one of those rounds. That's a lot of work.
Wow.
Mark, great job. My buddy over in the UK, Alan. Read what it says.
This is at the end of all your rainbows, may you find your pot of gold.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's very cool. A little creepy too, I gotta tell you, Alan. Reminds me of that Leprechaun movie. That's a pretty creepy looking leprechaun. Alright. Jeff Boyer.
Oh, that's nice.
Very nice. Look at all the detail on that thing. So he mixed stain in there. That's my guess. He stained or burnt that. Kenny Delano, second sign ever. What's the? This is a piece of juniper, a juniper stump round.
Very cool.
That's actually half of a bullet over on the right side. He told me that in his comments. Augie Caladero. Very cool.
Boxer, Toy Box, Laney, Rocky, and Trinity.
Those are cool little pictures of boxers. I love it. We used to have one of those. Arthur Burkowski.
In Poland. Very nice.
Yeah. I don't know exactly what that symbol is, but I'm sure it means something in Polish. Jeff Mackey. Check that out.
That's nice.
What does it say? 4 foot by 3 foot? Huge. It's a big sign, Jeff. Congratulations, man. That looks great. Matthew Fuhrer.
That's cool.
Rochester, New York. I like those skyline things. I've seen several of those. That's made out of northern white cedar live edge. Great job. Todd Scholes. Was his first business sign?
Wings and hobbies.
I think it's his first business sign. We talked to Todd quite a bit. Great job, Todd. I love the border around there. I think that really looks cool. And that's a piece of used spruce. Roy Smith.
Very nice.
Part of his American Heritage theme on his website. I think it's a Minuteman. Nick Pelkey?
Very first sign. Huh?
Very first sign. Really nice for your very first sign, buddy. Great job, Nick. Stephen Ellerton in the UK. Look at that. That's so cool.
That's cute.
I love it. Nice color. Great job on that. That's a lot of background. Kevin
Oldenburg. One of his first signs.
Yeah. Can't see it. No place like home. That's cool. baseball fan, obviously. Mark Stallings. Bless you. This is a piece out of a piece of select pine.
Very cool.
Terrific job, Mark. Phil Keane in Ireland.
Hold it still.
His first signs. Pretty cool. Very nice, Phil. Dawn, I think it's pronounced Sigel. And this is, she made this for her son who is deployed to Afghanistan.
Very cool.
Dawn does some really cool stuff. Nigel Oram.
That's cute.
This is for his wife's garden shed. Very nice. Frank Domnich.
Very cool.
Beautiful stuff. Nice artwork
trees.
on there, Frank. Nice trees. Nice lighthouse. Great job. Gary Haddon.
That's
Interesting version of a flag and Live to Ride all together. Love to Ride, I guess.
love to ride. Love to ride, love freedom.
Yeah. Very cool. Nice version. I really like that mixture. Great job. Ruben Garcia.
Oh, that's very clever.
Yeah, he made this for his daughter's graduation, and he did the color with airbrush. I know there's quite a few people out there that are using the airbrush. I got one and I tried it. I haven't been real successful yet. I'm still working on that. Jerome Bowman. Really neat. I love that pattern. That's really cool. Great job, Jerome. Tim Sloan. Check out the
Alright, I'm going to zoom in.
scenery on that one. And he says he has Dobie Ranch.
Yeah.
Dobie Ranch.
Very cool.
Yeah, very
I love
very
Dobermans.
nice. Yeah, me too. Patrick,
His very first sign.
very first sign, and this is made out of pallet wood. Amazing. That's pretty darn cool. 2 foot by 2 foot. Is that what it says? 2 by 2 as the very first sign. You guys that are doing your first signs and do stuff like that just blow me away. This is their business sign. Kim and Deborah Oceanbine.
Very cool. Like the little robber.
Very nice. Nicely done, guys. Beautiful. I've talked to Steve a few times. Gropey from Orland, California, which actually happens to be a town I lived in when I was a little kid. As a matter of fact, we talked about that where I went to kindergarten, I think his sister is a teacher there at Lake School where I went to kindergarten. Amazing, in Orland, California. Glenn Coates. Very first sign.
Great job.
Amazing. How you guys even attempt this kind of stuff for your first sign. I never would have done that. Amazing. And last but not least, Chuck Young. So this is for a friend's sister-in-law from Russia. So it's like a map of Russia somehow, I think. Isn't that cool?
That's very cool.
I love the way he did that. All right. So here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to lay these all out just like we always do, scan them over, and then Vicki's going to do her announcement. We'll be right back. All right, guys, here they are. All of them laid out. I think there's 30 of them here. That seems to be the size that works best for us. Just congratulations to all the sign carvers of the day. I just love all of your creativity, all the colors, all the designs, all the cool artwork, all the uniqueness. Congratulations especially to you first sign carvers. You guys just really are just hard to believe. Some of you guys are just brand new at this. So we just thank you guys for sending in these pictures. Keep them coming. By the way, These are, I think I'm up now through close to the middle of April. So if you guys have sent your pictures in after April, middle of April, they're still in the stack. So don't give up on me. I'll try and get caught up eventually, but keep sending me these pictures because I love them, and evidently you guys like them too. So thanks again, and here comes Vic.
Okay, so my announcement. You guys know how Eric and I like.
You're gonna love this, guys.
Love to go back and forth. It's just the way we are. It's what we do. So I've been watching a lot of videos, and I've seen several videos where they have a challenge. So I talked to Eric about it, and we are going to do a challenge. So this is the Eric versus Vicki resin challenge. So this is kind of how it's going to go. We kind of discussed this, and I say kind of because
the rules will change as her mood does. So for both of us.
For both of us. Anyway, so here's what we're going to do. Obviously, we've got all kinds of art stuff around here, and we've got all kinds of boards and wood and stuff. So we're going to use what we have, but we each get $25, and we're going to go down to Joann's Fabrics, and we are going to buy our supplies, things that we need for our project. And I don't know what his is, and he doesn't know what mine is. But this is how it's going to work. We each have $25 for our supplies. Projects.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do is we're going to videotape the whole thing, and you are going to see snippets or pieces of it at the end of the next couple of weeks' videos. And then
theoretically, hopefully it
works out this way.
Yeah.
And then once we're finished, we'll show the finished products, our finished designs, on Friday the 21st. And then you guys are going to have a whole week to make to vote. So you can vote for me, or you can vote for Eric, whichever project you like the best. Stop laughing. Whichever project you like the best. And please.
And I guess you'll be counting the votes.
I'm going to be counting. I'm going to win. But the only comments I'm going to take count of is the ones on YouTube. So comment on YouTube, just say Vicki or Eric, whatever.
That's how they vote.
That's how you vote. Yeah, just comment Vicki or Eric, or Vicki, or Eric.
Or if you want to throw in some
comments.
Criticism.
No criticisms. No criticisms. This is just us playing. So you guys
constructive criticism.
Yeah, you guys just get to witness our real life.
Our looniness. Yeah.
So, anyway, so then after the July 21st is when we'll show them to you. So all the videos after that, or for that whole week, you can comment only on YouTube. I have a hard time keeping track of the ones on Facebook. It's just too hard. So YouTube comments. And then you guys will be entered into a drawing. We are going to give away our projects. So all of those that voted for me will be entered into one drawing. And all those that vote for Eric will be entered into Eric's drawing. So the ones that voted for me will get mine, and the ones that voted for Eric will get his project. So
we'll pull a winner out of those.
I haven't got that far yet. Stop it. My announcement. So I know, I'm sorry. I'm just telling how it's working. Anyway, right. On the 28th, which is going to be our LTS, our live training seminar session. Live training session.
Yes.
We'll be doing the drawing, and that's when we will announce who wins the projects.
Yeah, the individual projects.
Yeah. So again, you've got a week to enter. Only comment on YouTube, Eric or Vicki, and then on probably Saturday morning before we start the LTS, I will put all the names in a bucket, and we'll do the drawing on the LTS for Eric and mine project.
Yeah, so if you vote for Vicki, then your name will be in the Vicki bucket, and if your name is drawn, then we'll ship it to you.
I better have a bigger bucket.
Yeah.
Anyway, so that's my announcement. That's our challenge.
Yeah, we just thought we'd do something. This is totally her brainchild. She wanted to do another project and been watching tons of videos.
And I haven't had a chance to get to a sawmill and pick up.
And it just sounds like fun. We want to do something creative
and different.
Yeah. So it's a competition, but we're going to be doing it together. So she's going to kind of pick out her materials. I'm going to pick out mine, and then we'll probably help each other on them. But
we will.
It's just a friendly competition. But it just sounds like fun. It just sounds like fun.
Yeah. So anyway, that is my announcements. You guys have a great week.
Before I forget, Monday, hopefully if everything works out, Monday we'll start the videos on the new collaboration, which I'm really excited about. You guys definitely know who this YouTuber is, and I think it's going to come out really cool. I really have a vision of it in my mind. I think it's going to come out cool. So we'll hopefully, if everything goes right, we'll be starting that on Monday.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Make sure you share the video, please. Thumbs up, subscribe.
Yep.
Check out Eric's Instagram, Eric Roten, or you can.
No, it's Make a Wood Sign.
Excuse me.
Make
Facebook.
a Wood Sign. Instagram, Make a Wood Sign.
Instagram, Make a Wood Sign. Facebook is Eric Roten.
Yes,
okay.
That's correct.
I just kind of crossed those. Anyway, so thanks, guys. Have a great weekend and a great week, and
we'll see you on Monday.
We'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye.